punta dito sa Naga City. And hindi rin po biro dahil po sa mga nangyari bago tayo nagkaroon ng RVL 2024 BICOL Regional Finals. But nevertheless, nagpapasalamat po kami ng malaki sa ating mga players, sa ating mga magulang of course, school administrators, sa ating mga coaches ng bawat eskwelahan. Pinatunayan nyo lang po na very dedicated and very passionate kayo sa paglalaro ng volleyball. And hopefully po, ang mga na-experience nyo po sa ating RVL Regional Finals will be helping you out in the future leagues that you will be competing to. And without further ado, let us proceed of course with our awarding ceremony. To help us out of course in awarding our trophies, medals, and additional gift packs from Rebisco, palakpakan po natin, representing of course, Sir Mario Villanueva of Naga College Foundation is their AVP for Marketing. Let us all welcome Mr. Joel Villanueva. Palakpakan po natin si Sir. Pag tinawag po ang inyong eskwelahan, dito po tayo pipila sa attack line ng ng inyong court. Doon na kayo marap, girls, doon na kayo, wag niyo na, ako, voice over. Of course, to receive our second runner-up trophy, individual silver medals. And additional gift packs from Rebisco. Tatlo pa pong additional gift packs. Tatlo pa. Para mas ma-enjoy ninyo ang ating mga Rebisco products. Pila muna tayo bago tayo i-awardan. Kasama po sana si mga coaches. Our second runner-up for the RVL 2024 BICOL Regional Finals, palakpakan po natin from Santa Elena, Camarines Norte, Santa Elena Integrated School. Girls, punta na kayo sa attack line, sa sideline please. Pila muna kayo bago kayo bigyan ng medals. Kasama po si coaches, madami po tayong may po tayo, sapat na medals for our 12 players and 2 coaches. Ay, sir, talikod po tayo para yung background natin yung A-boards. Dito po tayo sa harap. Yan, harap tayo. Yes. Yung mga nagpipicture, please. Yan. Para kuha yung ating mga boards. Yes, sir. Second runner-up, Santa Elena Integrated School. They will be receiving, of course, individuals bronze medals, sir. Palapakan po natin ang Santa Elena Integrated School. All the way from Santa Elena, Camarines Norte. Ayan, meron pa po tayong additional 3 gift packs from Rebisco. Bukod po doon sa binigay na nating nauna. Coaches, meron pa po, bigyan na natin lahat ng medal sa kanila. Again, congratulations, Santa Elena Integrated School from Santa Elena, Camarines Norte. Sige players, balik na kayo sa line ninyo. Thank you very much and congratulations. Congratulations again. We shall be proceeding to award, of course, our first runner-up, silver medal, individual silver medals, and our first runner-up trophy, and additional gift packs from Rebisco. This is literally from north to south. From Infanta, Quezon, palakpakan po natin Mount Carmel School of Infanta. Together with their coaches, please. Sama po kayo, coaches. May sobra po, enough medals po tayo for our 12 players and 2 coaches. Of course, helping us out in awarding our trophies and medals is our AVP for marketing, Mr. Joel Villanueva. Representing, of course, Sir Mario Villanueva, President of the Naga College Foundation. We are waiting for our the awarding of our champion. Meron lang po akong paalala sa lahat. Paghandaan niyo po ang ating regional finals next year, 2025. Kasi regional finals pa lang po, according to Rebisco, they will be giving out cash prizes. Kahit po ngayong national finals, magbibigay na po ng cash prizes si Rebisco. Congratulations, your first runner-up and silver medalist, Mount Carmel School of Infanta. Again, congratulations. And of course, the gem of the BICOL region, our defending first runner-up in our national finals, and defending champion, of course, of our BICOL regional finals. Let us put our hands together for Naga College Foundation. They will be receiving, of course, our championship trophy, individual gold medals, additional 3 gift packs again from Rebisco, sige, medals muna, and the gift packs, so that you will be able to enjoy more Rebisco products as you prepare, of course, to your journey in the national finals this coming November 22 to November 25 at the Gainesville Ballpark in Mandaluyong City. By the way, Naga is our 9th qualifier in our national finals. Next week, November 9 and 10, we shall be crowning the champion of the National Capital Region. Again, palakpakan po natin our champion and still the champion for the BICOL regional finals, Naga College Foundation. Thank you very much, NCF. Balik na tayo sa inyong line. And to close out, of course, our awarding ceremony, we shall be giving out individual medals to our deserving players. By the way, we would like to inform everyone that our individual awards are based on the statistics. Ay, siyan. Palakpakan po natin, Sir Mario Villanueva, President of NCF. Sir, let us do the honor for our individual awards. Later on, mag-group photo po tayo, photo off, together with Sir Mario. Palakpakan po natin our ever-supportive President of Naga College Foundation, Engineer Mario Villanueva. Sa attack line po. Okay, let us begin with our second best middle blocker. To be awarded, of course, by Sir Mario Villanueva. Our second best middle blocker, Divine Daniel from Naga College Foundation. Ayan, stay ka lang sa line, Divine, dyan sa left side, sa kabilang side. Of course, kung may second, there will be a first. Our first best middle blocker, again from Naga College Foundation, Jessamine Pauline Santos. Next, best setter. Best setter is no other than Jerry Armiana Francisco of Naga College Foundation. Next, best opposite attacker. Our best opposite attacker is a back-to-back winner of the best opposite attacker. It is no other than Sophie Nuay of Naga College Foundation. Next, we go to our best libero. Our best libero goes to Gabriel Margie Larita of Mount Carmel School of Infanta. Next, let us go to our outside hitters, beginning with our second best outside hitter. Our second best outside hitter of the RVL 2024 BICOL is Kirzel Rendal of Naga College Foundation. Next, we shall be giving out our first best outside hitter. And our first best outside hitter is Marian Pilado of Naga College Foundation. Again, we would like to remind our teams that all our individual awardees are based on the statistical points gathered by our statistician in the course of our RVL 2024 BICOL region. From among the seven, of course, is our most valuable player. Our BICOL region's most valuable player is Jessamine Pauline Santos of Naga College Foundation, garnering 30 statistical points for the whole duration of our BICOL Regional Finals. Palapakan po natin our individual awardees. Photo up tayo together with Sir Mario. And now may we request all our players, doon tayo sa bleacher, sa likod, para makuha natin itong A-boards. Santa Elena, punta tayo sa likod, sa bleacher. Sir Mario, photo up together with all our teams. Sa loob. Sir Mario, sa kabila po, sa bleacher. Para kita natin itong mga e-boards. Sir Joel, sama na rin po kayo. Together with Sir Mario. Even the coaches, please. Yeah, isang area lang para po kuha lahat. Kahit sama-sama na po tayo, hindi na tayo ngayon kailangan kahit magkakahiwalay tayo, ibang team sa kasama nyo, no problem. Bigyan nyo lang ng space si Sir Mario at si Sir Joel dyan sa harap. Even the coaches, please join us. Yung ating pong mga parents, supporters, sama rin po kayo, no problem. You are part of the history, of course, of our RVL BICOL Regional Finals. Sige ma'am, sama po kayo agad. Sama kayo, go. O referees, join na rin. Join na kayo, lahat kayo. Even our court assistants. Ladies and gentlemen, this is part of the history of the Rebisco Volleyball League 2024, our final three of the Rebisco Volleyball League BICOL Regional Finals, together with our host school heads, Engineer Mario Villanueva, Sir Joel Villanueva, our coaches, our players, our parents, our match officials, our court assistants and statisticians. Maraming salamat po. We will see you, Naga College Foundation, in our national finals this coming November 22 to 25. Sa lahat po ng mga kasali, maraming salamat, congratulations, and have a safe trip back home. God bless us all. Maraming salamat po ulit. Oragon Sports TV, maraming salamat din pala bago ko makalimutan. And hopefully makita rin po natin ang Oragon Sports TV sa national finals natin.